Good afternoon. My name is Tom Berinsnoff, Certified Master Mechanic from Reading, Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to talk briefly about how much paint does it take to paint a car. First thing I want to say is, unless you absolutely don't have much of a choice, I wouldn't recommend using a spray paint. It would probably take you about 20-30 cans to do it with this, and the overall appearance when you're done is not going to be what you're looking for. But to do it professionally with a paint can, it would take you probably a professional about 3 quarts of paint to paint a mid-sized car. If you're inexperienced, 2-3 coats of paint on the vehicle will take you about a gallon and a quart. It's depending on how you mix it and the technique you're using. If you're inexperienced, it's going to take you an extra amount of paint. Like I said, an experienced person can do it for relatively a small amount of paint, 2-3 quarts on a mid-sized car. And just remember too, when you're painting the car, that it has to be cut down. It's usually 2-to-1 or 1-to-10. You have to refer to the manufacturers how far it needs to be reduced. But that's about it. It's really not that difficult to figure out. Every can's got it marked on the back, but refer to that, and the 1 gallon mark is about where you need to be. And that's about how much paint you're going to need to paint a car.